We guide you through how to delete all tweets at once on Twitter, also known as X, so you can reset your profile quickly. First thing you need to do is open a web browser and log into your Twitter account. Twitter does not have a built-in option to block delete tweets. So, you'll need a reliable third-party tool like Tweet Delete, Tweet Eraser, or Tweet Deleter. Go to the tool's website and sign in with your Twitter account and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, choose the option to delete all tweets or set filters such as date, keywords, or media tweets if needed. Start the deletion process and allow the tool time to remove your tweets automatically. After it finishes, refresh your profile to confirm everything is deleted. This method lets you clean your Twitter history while keeping your account active. So that's it.